Welcome aboard on a tantalizing journey through the heart of Africa, Ghana. A country where every meal is a celebration, every bite a melody of flavors. Ghanaian cuisine is a symphony of taste, a dance of aromas, and a canvas of vibrant colors. From the bustling markets where the air is filled with the scent of spices to the quiet hum of a homely kitchen, the culinary landscape of Ghana is as diverse as it is delicious. The foundation of every Ghanaian dish is its staple ingredients. Cassava, plantain, yams, maize, these are the building blocks of Ghana's gastronomy. Add to this a generous sprinkle of spices, ginger, garlic, chili peppers, and each dish becomes a flavorful masterpiece. As we journey through the regions of Ghana, we discover the unique delicacies each one has to offer. The coastal areas gift us with fante fante, a lush fish stew. The north with its hearty tuozafi, and the Ashanti region welcomes us with ampesi, a delightful yam and garden egg stew. Every region, every dish tells its own story. Iconic dishes like jollof rice are not just meals but a testament to Ghana's culinary prowess. The preparation of dishes like fufu and banku, steeped in tradition, is a dance of techniques passed down through generations. The streets of Ghana are a foodie's paradise. The scent of kelewele, spicy fried plantain, wafts through the air, while the sizzle of chichinga, a delectable kebab, beckons from every corner. Traditional cooking methods like the use of a coal pot or the rhythmic grinding of ingredients with a pestle and mortar add a touch of authenticity. These techniques are a nod to the past, a tribute to the generations of Ghanaian cooks who have shaped the country's cuisine. Contemporary Ghanaian chefs are adding a modern twist to these traditional recipes, innovating and fusing them with international flavors. Classic dishes are being reimagined, pushing the boundaries of Ghanaian cuisine. Food is at the heart of Ghanaian culture and celebrations. Certain dishes are prepared during festivals like Homowu or Christmas, binding the community together in a shared culinary experience. The nuances between homemade meals and restaurant versions offer a fascinating insight into Ghanaian family life. The importance of home cooking is evident, with every dish prepared with a dash of love and a sprinkle of family traditions. Take a sip of Ghana with traditional drinks like palm wine, sobolo, and Ghanaian cocoa. Each beverage tells a story, each sip, a taste of Ghana's rich heritage. As our journey comes to an end, we realize that Ghanaian cuisine is not just about food. It's about stories, traditions, and a sense of community. So whether you're cooking a Ghanaian dish at home or visiting the beautiful country of Ghana, remember every meal is a celebration, every bite, a journey. So, embark on this culinary adventure and explore the rich and diverse flavors of Ghana. We hope you've enjoyed this gastronomic journey through Ghana. This is just a taste of the rich, diverse, and vibrant flavors that Ghanaian cuisine has to offer. Now, it's your turn to embark on your own culinary adventure. Try cooking a Ghanaian dish at home or visit a local Ghanaian restaurant to experience these flavors firsthand. Remember, each bite tells a story. Each meal is a celebration. We invite you to be part of this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. Join us next time as we explore more culinary delights from around the world. Until then, happy cooking and happy eating.